Hey, what's happening, loco? Hey, you know that dude Vernon from the OGs? You know what I'm talking about, the dude that always fat-mouthed about the old days. Come on, man, ugly-ass Vernon. Anyway, dude got wind that I was talking about my imminent promotion, right? And somehow thought that me being absolute ruler everywhere is gonna insult him. That's some bullshit. Look, man, we gotta send this dude a peace offering or something, man. And nothing says, I love you, Brother Vernon, and I'll thank you for your years of wisdom and guidance, but there's a new dog in town, like taking care of a man's legal problem. Come on, man, look here, the point is this. Look, this ain't even like no fucking job. It's like you doing your boy a favor, man. Come on, man, all you gotta do is deliver the cars, and that's it. Relax, man, it's gonna be cool. Man, fuck, why y'all stressing me out? Come on, man, seriously, though. LD don't do stress, he do regalness like a real king. Now, the cars is over there, dog. All you gotta do is get him and take him to this buyer he got that's gonna get him overseas before the motherfucking cops sees him for some totally unrelated crime that he allegedly did. And the key word is allegedly. Come on, man, it's nothing. It's easy, man. Shit.
Shit. Shit. Bueno, así en verdad vestía yo hace poco. Hace unos años. Bueno, ahora voy a pillar el rojo. A ver si puedo. Sí, vale. Españita. Mierda. Me llamo... ¡No! ¿Es en serio, tío? Es mala suerte esto. Es muy mala suerte, tío. Es muy mala suerte, perdón. Se me atascó una silla, tío. ¿Qué es esto, tío? O sea... ¿Por qué una silla, tío? Nada, fue culpa mía. Una silla, tío. Voy a pillar el coche. Ah, voy con esta. Con esta yo veo. Me lo merezco. No sé qué hace. Se choca solo. Bueno, yo me atraganté con una silla, así que tonto. Vale, vale. Yo paso.
You coming up on a deal. There should be a couple of Korean homies waiting there. Hey, these are the buyers. Be cool with them.
¿Cómo va el otro? Ah, está llegando ya. Una puta silla, tío. Increíble. Ahí viene.
Sweet rise, homies. We're gonna get so much fever in that sky. I'll take you in a Snapmatic shot in Seoul. We have the whips there in like 2 weeks.
Hey, man, shit. The ballers found out about the sale. They going to boost the rides.
Hey, something's wrong. Who this guy?
They got dudes on the roof.
Perro.
Now they coming out the foundry. Man, the ballers ain't got no respect. Here comes some more of them niggas. Look out, they coming over the fence. Jesus fucking Christ.
¿Dónde?
A lot of containers, more dudes in the alley. Clock them niggas on the tracks, man, come on.
Ya.
Man, the whole thing's messed up, man. No way we can sell Vernon's rise. He gonna understand, right? Man, shit, man, I'm gonna come holler at you.
Ya está. Qué fácil.
Like I said, guys, not a big deal, right? Vernon's gonna be so pleased with this. You guys did a great job. Man, get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. Y'all fucked up. Man, Vernon gonna be pissed. Fuck. Look, man. Look, okay. You tried, and you failed miserably as fuck. But like a wise boss that I am, I forgive your bitch ass. Get the fuck out of here, man. Thank you for trying, man. I'll holler at you later, man. I'm about to go get some trees in.
Qué fácil la misión.